Okay, see, look at this question. This question is in Cengage 5.04, exercise number 7, class 9. Okay, this problem actually visualization is little difficult, but if you follow the algebraic method in solving this geometrical problem, it will make our job easy. So I will try to uh, explain the same problem with less steps, but the only thing is I'm just using an algebraic way. So first, ABC is one triangle. P and Q are the midpoints of AB and midpoints of BC. P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of BC. And you can see AP, the AP midpoint is A, R. Then we need to prove area of ARQ is equals to half of area of ARC. This question is being asked in, I have seen in the websites. This question is being asked, I mean, they're confusing a lot in understanding it. So I'm trying to decode that. So the best way is, so first you join this A and Q. Q is a midpoint, and I have drawn a line segment from midpoint to its opposite vertex. So AQ will act as median. Let us understand, and we know that median divides the triangle into two congruent parts. What do you mean by that? The area of this part is equals to area of this part. These two parts are going to have equal, and their area is also going to be equal. Let us assume this ABQ entire area is x. Okay, this entire area is what? X. Therefore, this area is also going to be what? X, right? Okay, so right. Next. Again, you can see one more triangle here, ABQ. If I just join this P and Q for ABQ triangle, AB side, P is a midpoint. I have drawn one line segment. So this PQ will act as a median. So therefore, even PQ also divides this ABQ triangle into two equal parts. If the entire part is x, so this part will be x by 2, this part is going to be x by 2. But again, you observe APQ, this APQ, in this APQ, if you join R and Q, RQ is a median, RQ is a median, RQ is a median, therefore it divides the triangle into two equal parts. If this is x by 2, then this will be x by 4, and this will be x by 4. So let's try to solve the first question. Area of PRQ. Can you tell me what is the area of PRQ? That is x by 4 is equals to, let's see, this is left hand side part, and let's take up the right hand side part, 1 by 2 into ARC, but we don't know the value of ARC, right? Okay, so now what I am going to do is, if I join P and C, okay, so for some time, anyway we understood this, so now I am going to remove this. See, remember, this part is x, this part is also x, so till then we know it. Now we need ARC. So ARC means this is what we wanted. We want the area of this one, half of that one. Okay, but to do that I am going to join PC. What is PC? It is a median. So therefore, what could be the area of BPC? It will be x. Then this is also x. So therefore, this is going to be what? X by 2. This is going to be x by 2. So what is the area of ARC? That is x by 2. So 1 by 2 into x by 2 means x by 4. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Okay. So the first question is proved. Next, the second question. Area of RQC. Where you can see RQC. Okay. So let me just wipe out once again. See, because if you do one diagram for everything, you will confuse, so that it is better to change it. So what we require? RQC, R, Q and C. And next, ABC. So 3 by 8, let us first simplify the right hand side part. 3 by 8 into, for example, ABC. Let us assume this is the median. Okay, AQ is the median. Then AQB area is X. Then this area is also X. So therefore ABC area will be 2x. Understood, right? Because when I draw the median, I took this part as x. So therefore this part is also x. So total area will be 2x. So ABC area will be 2x. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So this is 3x by 4. That is the right hand side part. Now we need to prove RQC area is also 3x by 4. Okay. But how to get RQC area? This area. So to get that, what I am going to do is, see, let's draw this one. It is a midpoint. So PC is the median. So can you tell me what is the area of this total? Okay, this area will be X. Now, how to get RQC? RQC. Let's take the complete BRC, and from BRC, if I remove this part, BRQ part, okay, let me tell you the total thing. This is completely BRC, and now we want this one, what? RQC. And we want this green part. So what I am going to do is, from this entire BRC, if I subtract this part, BRQ part, then I will get the RQC part. So this area of RQC, RQC I am writing like this. Area of RQC is equals to BRC minus BRQ. Therefore you will get this area. How to get BRC area? Okay, BRC area. You observe this BRC area, BRC area. Look at this one. This is the midpoint. BC is the midpoint. So therefore, this entire area will be X. Okay. So BRC area I am writing like this. BPC. This BPC plus BRC. Minus BRQ, right later. What is this BPC area? X. Now look at this PRC. So this part is X. This part is also X. But PRC means X by 2. So this is X plus X by 2. Now coming to BRQ. So how to get BRQ area? Look at this one. BRQ. This one we want. So now look at this one. What is this? BPQ. BPQ plus PRQ will give what? BPQ plus PRQ will give BRQ. Okay, so let's write BRQ as BPQ plus PRQ, right? Minus, what is BPQ area? See, observe here, this is a median. So this entire area will be X. This is also median. Therefore, this will be X by 2. X by 2. So therefore, this will be how much? Okay, this is X by 2. Now, this one will be, okay, for example, let's see this one. This total area is X and this one will be X by 2. Therefore, this one will be X by 4. Correct? So, X BPQ is how much? X by 2 plus, that is X by 4. So, X plus X by 2 minus X by 2 minus X by 4. So, X by 2 cancel, and if you simplify this one, you will get 3x by 4. LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so many people will ask why we need to consider these all triangles. Okay, this is the reason, because we cannot get the area of RQC directly. Next, look at the third last question, PDQ. So, shall I wipe it out once again? This will be easy. PDQ. PDQ. For example, if I join this, it's going to be what? Total x. Therefore, this will be x by 2. Therefore, left hand side value is x by 2. ARC. ARC. Now, forget about this one. ARC. This one. Today, you do this one. This is median. Okay, now forget this one also. This is x. This is also x, because it is midpoint. This entire thing is x. Then this will be x by 2. This is also x by 2. I think your answer is already there. ARC is equal to how much? X by 2. So this is the visual way of understanding this problem. Okay, I hope you understood.